Hi, Mark. It is Tuesday, November the 4th, going on 8 a.m. Eastern. US session about to get underway. Let's have a look how the markets are shaping up. US dollar index, fifth consecutive day, higher highs, higher low. Demand for the US looking strong today. I've got support at 99.56 and significantly resistance at 100.01. Buyers have been looking to test that 100 level and reach there earlier in trading today. We'll see whether that can be maintained. If buyers can maintain at this 100, maybe even break higher, or if there's going to be some kind of turnaround now that the US session is underway. But certainly a strong start for the US dollar. And that's been going on now for, as I say, for 5 consecutive days. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. We're in the futures market for now. Wall Street opening up in an hour and a half. And a strong push down before Wall Street opens up. I've got resistance at 6,878 and already support at 6,784. So a strong sell-off before Wall Street opens. A little bit of a wick here. We'll see if buyers do step in. Now the US session is open, and once Wall Street opens up. But for now, this is the third, fourth, fifth consecutive red candlestick, lower high, lower low, inverse relationship with what we've seen on the US dollar. Gold. Gold hanging around that same level. Have a look at the close over the past 5 days, 4 days, pretty close, hanging around that 4,000, that pivotal 4,000 number. Today I've got resistance at 3,999, so it's tested the 4,000, unable to maintain or break above. I've got support at 3,966. Buyers stepped in at that level, but you can see the body of the candlestick is very shallow. Looks like yesterday was green, today so far red, but neither buyers or sellers have really made a move, and it's trading within a tight range going into the US session. Overall, trend is down, EMAs are down, and the bias certainly is down. And you can see the succession of lower highs on the daily chart. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Brent oil being sold off today. I've got resistance at 64.83. I've got support at 63.78. Tough support level. Has tried there for the past week, unable to close below this level. Has tested it. We'll see if it gets to test the support again today. Support at the 63.78. Resistance 64.83. Trading in a narrow range, you can see, but the bias does look down. EMAs are showing up with the leading indicator above the lagging indicator, but I think sideways best describe the price action on oil for now. And to start with, certainly the sellers have the upper hand. Bitcoin. Strong sell-off in Bitcoin today. I've got resistance at 107.3 thousand and support at 103.5. Already a $4,000 range on Bitcoin. Tried this level on the 17th of October, unable to break below, and did bounce back all the way, and that's where I've got my descending trend line, the high of the descending trend line at 116,000. We'll see whether sellers can continue. Yesterday, a strong sell-off. Today, so far, strong sell-off. Certainly bearish. Sentiment is down. We'll see whether sellers can maintain. If I scroll back, the low in June was at 98,000. They have got it at 100,000, and the 100,000 level is the next level on the downside. if we measure the fib retracement from the 74 low up to the 126 high, 100,000 would be the 50% retracement level. We'll see if it gets to test that level, but certainly sellers strong again today, like yesterday. Let's see if buyers can step in. If they do, first target on the upside will be the resistance at 107,000, followed by the descending trend line. Good trading, keep that discipline, and I will see you at the end of day session.